Wonderful. The Anambra billionaires, they are back again. The Akuluno is actually running wide in Anambra State. The wind of Akuluno. We are going to be talking about the update on the one of the Anambra man of timber and caliber, agbalanzeifekudo, the multi-billionaire chairman of Lease and Diamond Group. His road construction, his investment in roads and other things in Anambra State cannot overemphasize. But we're going to look at the latest update over the construction of a major road that has been in deployable state for some time, a state road in Ekwusigo local government. And we are going to see the update. And you know that this man mean business. He has already constructed a market that is almost 140 lockup shops commissioned by Anambra State government. And he gave it out free. Has constructed a lot of roads and a lot of things he's doing already. I don't want to get carried out by so excitement about him and others, but you need to like, comment, and share, and subscribe. And let's go and see the update on his construction of Ozobolo Major Road. Let's see. Stay tuned.
For that Dodgy Road, I think in next.
That's the latest. The road has the construction work have advanced in this road. That's Udoji Road, a major road that cut across Ozobolo. It is, some people said it's a federal road. I thought it's a state road. It's a major road that passed through Oscar or Jerome Udoji's house. This road has been in a mess for a long time. And this man promised that he's going to change this bad state of this road. And he started immediately. And in the next few days or 1 week, he will completely tie up this road. That's the power of his philanthropy. And, you know, we cannot thank him enough. And we also use this opportunity to urge other Anambra billionaires who are still waiting on the fence. There are a lot to be done in the homeland to change the homeland. Our homeland needs your help. This is the compound of the great Jerome Udoji. The great Jerome Udoji, because the sun is affecting the quality of the video. Sorry about that, but what is important is for you to see na ndị Igbo nwere mmadụ. Igbo nwere mmadụ. Ndị Igbo nwere mmadụ. So maka ngị nwa bụ onye na-ebu ọgbaghara na-aka ọsọ ọgbaghara ebe dị iche iche. Jirikwanụ ilegụa eze gị ọnụ. Ma jụọ ka anyị dozie obodo anyị. Anyị nwere obodo ọzọ. Ndị ugwu a ga-alụ anya, ndị ofe mmanụ a ga-alụ anya, onwere onye ga-alụ anya, anyị nwa ga-edozi ana Igbo. Ka anyị kunye negodo agbalanzeifekudo. Ifekudo. Look at his exploit in Ozobolo. Look at his exploit. He's ready to do more. He's doing a lot of things. He has done already a lot of things. He said he will continue to do more. He's urging the youth to stop the violence. So he's urging the youth, everybody to be homeland conscious, to love the homeland, to stop the violence and embrace peace. This is what he's doing. This is his own contribution to the development of the homeland. Think about that when finally Governor Soludo do the one from Newe Ozoblo Okija. This road, Udoji Road, joined to that one. The whole community will be as smart as Abuja, because already he's putting street lights, everything. So those that are still living in Lagos and Abuja, the homeland is getting better. Come back and help to rebuild the homeland. Help to make it the best. Our homeland must be livable, and it must be a prosperous homeland. So borrow an inch. Borrow what this man is doing. Agbalanzeifekudo, the great man, the son of the sword, the man of timber and caliber from Anambra State, from Ozoblo Ekusigo local government of Anambra State. See, he's changing the narrative. I don't want to speak much, but what is your own opinion? What do you think? What do you think? This is a massive road. What do you think? Go to the comment section, drop a piece, and we will continue from there. Have a wonderful time wherever you are, and God bless you wonderfully. Thank you. I see you in the next one, and bye.